In this video, today we will learn how to make this beautiful animated memorial infographic in PowerPoint. So let's start with the video. Click on right button, go to Format Background and select Background Color. Go to Insert, select Text Box. Write Memorial here. Select and change the font. Make it bold and increase the font size. Also, change the color. Center your content. Click on Text option. Click on Shadow. Select this shadow. Press Ctrl Shift to take it downside. Decrease the font size. Change the font also. And select lowercase. And choose color also. Write infographic here. Click on right button. Duplicate the slide. Select both text box. Decrease size. Set it like this. Go back to Insert. Click on Shape. Select Rectangle. Drag it like this. Go to Shape Fill. Select Color. Shape Outline. Make it no outline. Go to Effects. Go to 3D Rotation. Select this. So it will looks like a 3D object. Go to 3D Format. Increase depth size and align center. Press Ctrl Shift, drag it to upside. Go to Shape Fill and change the color. Size 6.5 cm and 6.5 cm. Press Ctrl Shift, drag to upside. Go to Shape Fill and change the color. Size 4.5 cm and 4.5 cm. Press Ctrl Shift, drag to upside. Go to Shape Fill, change the color, size 2.5 cm and 2.5 cm. Select and set it like this. Go back to Insert, select text box, write some information about these steps that we created. Select and change the color. Increase size a bit. Press Ctrl Shift, take it down. Add information about second step. Press Ctrl Shift, take it down. Add information about third step. Press Ctrl Shift, take it down. Add information about fourth step. Select all and set it. Copy all. Go to first slide. Paste here. Zoom out the side. Select all text box. Drag to right side. Now, one by one select text box and set it like this. Select all rectangle and drag to left. Set it in this way. Go to second slide. Click on right button. Duplicate the slide. Select all text box. Drag to right side. Select both text box. Take to center. Select all slide. Go to transition. Select Morph. Increase duration also. And now let's play the full presentation. You know how to do it. So your presentation looks great. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to check other tutorials also.